Okay, today, Ethan, we will do the animal sounds. All right, could you tell me what's the sound of the pig? What's the sound of the pig? Oink, oink. Very good. What's the sound of the cat? Very good. What's the sound of the turkey? Yeah, what's the sound of the turkey? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Very good. What's the sound of the cow? Moo. Very good. How about the goat? Very good. How about the dog? All right. How about the sheep? Ba. How about the duck? All right. How about the rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. All right. Could you show me, Ethan, what's the sound of the lion? Scary. How about the sound of the snake? Very good. Hiss, hiss. How about the sound of the... which one is the shark? Show me the shark. Very good. How about the dolphin? Yeah, baby shark. How about the dolphin? Ethan, what's the sound of the elephant? How about the lion? Roar! Very good. The end.